In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Yoast SEO in WordPress. This tool is invaluable for enhancing your site's search engine visibility and making sure you're attracting the right audience organically. Stay tuned as we delve into a seamless guide to get you started with Yoast SEO. To begin, we need to install and activate the Yoast SEO plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, you'll want to look for the Plugins option on the left-hand panel. Go ahead and click on Add New. Once you're there, head to the search bar and type in Yoast SEO. You'll see the plugin pop up in the list below. Click the Install Now button to proceed, and once it's finished installing, a blue button labeled Activate will appear. Simply click that to get Yoast SEO up and running on your site. Next up, it's time to run the configuration wizard to set up the plugin according to your website's needs. Navigate over to the SEO option on the left panel of your dashboard and click on General. From there, look for Configuration Wizard and click on it. The setup process will guide you through a series of questions to tailor the plugin specifically for your site. You'll provide details such as your website type, whether it's a blog, an online store, a portfolio, or something else. Choose whether your site represents an individual or a company. You will also be prompted to enter your social media profiles, which helps search engines know where else you are online. Pay particular attention to the search engine visibility settings, as this will determine how search engines index your pages. Follow the prompts carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly for optimal performance. Now, as you begin to optimize your content, we're going to focus on each post or page individually. When you're editing a post or page, scroll down to find the Yoast SEO meta box below the main content area. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a Google Preview section, which shows you how your page or post will appear in search results. This is an excellent way to gauge your first impression. The SEO analysis provides a comprehensive checklist for keyword optimization to ensure you're targeting the right phrases. Meanwhile, the readability analysis checks your content's sentence structure, paragraph length, and other factors to ensure your content is easy for visitors and search engines to read. So there you have it. A straightforward guide to getting started with Yoast SEO on WordPress. With these foundational steps, you're well on your way to improving your website's search engine ranking. Be diligent and thorough with each post, and you'll start seeing the benefits in your site's traffic and engagement. Good luck, and happy optimizing!